Welcome to Plasbo, your channel for uncovering hidden truths and exploring the mysteries that shape our world. Today, we delve into a chilling conspiracy that links your favorite ice cream to environmental degradation on a global scale. Sit tight as we unravel the complex web of connections, ambiguous evidence, and compelling narratives that will leave you questioning everything you thought you knew about this beloved treat. The sweet deception, a hidden agenda. We all love indulging in a scoop of our favorite ice cream on a hot summer day. It's a simple pleasure that seems harmless enough. But what if I told you that this innocent delight is part of a larger, more sinister plot? A plot that involves a secret society, hidden agendas, and a trail of environmental destruction that spans the globe. The secret society behind the scoop. Our story begins with the enigmatic organization known as the Order of the Frozen Cone. This clandestine group, shrouded in mystery, has been influencing the ice cream industry for decades. Their mission? To control the world's food supply, and through it, exert their influence over global events. Sounds far-fetched? Let's dive deeper. Ambiguity and mystery, the ice cream cartel. The Order of the Frozen Cone allegedly includes some of the most powerful figures in the food and agriculture industry. These individuals, through a series of cryptic symbols and hidden messages in their corporate logos, communicate their secretive plans. Take a closer look at the logos of some popular ice cream brands. Do you notice any peculiar patterns or symbols? These could be the marks of the order, persuasive rhetoric, and emotional appeal. The environmental impact. Let's talk about the environment. We all care about our planet, and the idea that something as delightful as ice cream could be causing harm is deeply unsettling. But the evidence is compelling. The dairy industry, which supplies the milk for ice cream, is a significant contributor to greenhouse gas emissions. Cows produce methane, a potent greenhouse gas, and the large-scale farming practices required to meet the demand for dairy products are devastating our ecosystems. Imagine the vast fields of monoculture crops needed to feed dairy cows, leading to deforestation and loss of biodiversity. Picture the polluted waterways, contaminated by runoff from these industrial farms. The emotional impact of this environmental destruction is hard to ignore, and it tugs at the heartstrings of anyone who cares about the planet. Selective evidence and misleading data. The hidden costs. Now, let's delve into the data. While the dairy industry argues that they are working towards sustainable practices, we uncover reports that suggest otherwise. Hidden away in obscure research papers and buried beneath layers of bureaucracy, we find evidence of the environmental costs that are often downplayed or ignored. For instance, a study from a small independent research group found that the carbon footprint of producing a gallon of ice cream is significantly higher than what major companies report. This study, however, is rarely cited and often dismissed by industry-funded research. Why? Because it reveals the inconvenient truth that the ice cream industry doesn't want you to know. The complex web of connections, from farms to factories. The connections run deeper than just the dairy farms. The Order of the Frozen Cone has ties to various sectors, creating a complex network of influence. From the suppliers of artificial flavors and sweeteners to the packaging companies using environmentally harmful plastics, every step in the ice cream production chain is linked to broader environmental and ethical issues. Consider this. The palm oil used in some ice cream brands is linked to deforestation in Southeast Asia. The mining of rare minerals for refrigeration technology devastates landscapes and displaces communities. The connections are intricate and far-reaching, painting a picture of an industry that is anything but sweet. Appeal to authority and credibility, expert opinions. To add weight to our theory, we turn to experts who have spoken out against the practices of the dairy and ice cream industries. Dr. Jane Goodall, renowned primatologist and environmental activist, has highlighted the impact of industrial farming on biodiversity. Similarly, leaked documents from whistleblowers within major ice cream corporations reveal internal concerns about sustainability practices being overlooked in favor of profit margins. These voices, combined with the selectively presented evidence, create a compelling narrative that challenges the official story told by the ice cream industry. The unanswered questions. As with any good mystery, we are left with more questions than answers. Who exactly are the members of the Order of the Frozen Cone? What are their ultimate goals? And how deep does this conspiracy go? These gaps in information invite you, our viewers, to delve further, to question, and to explore the hidden truths that lie beneath the surface of every scoop of ice cream. The historical context, a pattern of secrecy. Let's take a step back and look at the historical context. The Order of the Frozen Cone isn't a new phenomenon. There are records from as far back as the early 20th century indicating secret meetings among dairy moguls and agricultural tycoons. These meetings, often held in secluded locations and under the cover of night, aimed to control the market and manipulate public perception. Historical documents, though scarce and heavily redacted, hint at strategies to maintain high demand for dairy products despite emerging health and environmental concerns. The hidden hand, economic manipulation. Economic manipulation is another layer of this intricate conspiracy. The Order of the Frozen Cone is believed to have a hand in influencing global trade policies and agricultural subsidies. By ensuring that dairy products remain a staple in diets worldwide, they secure their financial and political power. This manipulation extends to lobbying efforts that stymie the growth of plant-based alternatives which pose a threat to their dominance. The media's role, shaping public opinion. The media plays a crucial role in shaping public opinion, and the Order of the Frozen Cone has allegedly infiltrated major media outlets. By funding favorable coverage and suppressing negative reports, they control the narrative surrounding the ice cream industry. Think about the countless feel-good stories about ice cream that flood our screens, distracting us from the underlying environmental and ethical issues. Psychological manipulation, the nostalgia factor. Nostalgia is a powerful tool used by the Order to keep consumers hooked. Ice cream is often associated with childhood memories, family gatherings, and moments of joy. This emotional connection makes it harder for people to critically evaluate the environmental impact of their favorite treat. By perpetuating this nostalgic image, the Order ensures a steady stream of loyal customers, oblivious to the darker side of their indulgence. Consumer responsibility, making informed choices. While the conspiracy theory we've presented may seem overwhelming, it's important to remember that consumers have the power to make informed choices. By opting for sustainable and ethical alternatives, we can reduce our environmental footprint and send a message to the industry. Look for plant-based ice creams, support brands that prioritize sustainability, and stay informed about the impacts of your choices. Ice cream quiz. How much do you really know about your favorite treat? Test your knowledge about ice cream and see how much you really know about this delicious treat. Share your answers in the comments below, and let's see who the ultimate ice cream expert is. Question 1. Which country is believed to be the birthplace of ice cream? A. Italy. B. China C, France D, USA. Don't forget to share your answers in the comments below. What's your favorite ice cream flavor and why? Let's see who the ultimate ice cream fan is. Staying tuned to Plasbo has its perks. Not only will you get more fascinating stories and hidden truths, but you'll also join a community of curious minds who love diving into the unknown. We offer exclusive insights, intriguing quizzes, and engaging discussions that keep you on the edge of your seat. Plus, your input shapes our content, making every video a unique journey. Subscribe now and become part of the adventure. Share this video, subscribe to Plasbo, and join us in our quest to uncover the truths that lie beneath the surface of everyday life. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more mind-bending stories that challenge the status quo. Until next time, keep questioning, keep exploring, and never stop seeking the truth.